Now in this chapter we will learn how to make a workflow, because all documents which we have registered in the Connect, that has been registered, that has been uploaded, but still we did not send these documents to the client and consultant for approval or for information whatever. So in this case, in this stage we will learn how to make a workflow. So I will show you, I will teach you how to make a workflow. First of all, I will search the document uh, which I have uploaded. So let's see. In search, we will find our document. So this is our document. You can see the file has been uploaded. Document number. We have a title. We have revision. We have status for approval for information, and we have date, modification. Type of this document is report, and you can see the document log is at left side, so it means it is not sent to the client and consultant. So what we have to do, we have to select this document by clicking this option, clicking this button, and then we have these options. We can see transmit, tools, reports, but we will go through the transmit. We will open this one. You can see we have the option create transmittal, auto update, create transmittal, and then we have the last option is start workflow. So we will click on this start workflow in order to send this document to the consultant client. So click on this one. Okay, now we can see we have started workflow. So workflow comprises of three steps. Number one, select document. Number two, select workflow template. Number three, view and edit workflow settings. So we are in the first stage. Okay, in this we can see two options: documents for review and supplementary files. So if I want to add some other documents that are we can say supplementary appendings for this document, then I can go through the supplementary files, or sometimes we have many documents, so we can attach through the supplementary files. So I will go through the attach file, and I will go through this local computer, and I can drag and drop the document which I have to upload. So then I will make a attach and then close. So but in our case, the documents which I have registered for the daily progress report, I will go through the same document for review, because I have uploaded all documents uh, through document register. So I have registered all documents. I have different number for my documents. So I will go through this add and update documents. You can see. So now I will search my documents which I have uploaded or registered. So if I go through number 10, I will, you can see here this is the document, and then I will click this one and I will attach. You will see the document is attached. In the same way, I will add and update the third document, that is 11. So I will go through, I will search this one, and then I will attach the same document in this file. Okay, still I have registered document relevant to these documents. I will go through the 12 number and then search, and I will attach this document. And the same case, I have the last document which I want to attach in this file, the 13 number. So we will make search, and we can see we have the document here, and we can attach. So now you can see all documents are attached with zero revision, and these all documents will be sent in one workflow. So we have used one workflow with all these documents. So workflow will be one, it will save time, and client can easily approve or reject these documents. So when they click the workflow, they have these documents. If they want to reject this document, they can only reject this document, or if they want to reject this document, they can only reject this document, or they want to approve this one and all rejected, so they can reject all these documents and can approve this one. So through one workflow, we have attached different documents which are registered. So then we will make a copy of this one title, because in the next page it requires the copy. So I will copy this one, and then I will go through the next step, that is We will make a next. And in this template type, which workflow we have to choose? We have to click this one to remove this one because we want to see the workflows. There are number of workflows, but what workflow we have to choose? You can see there are number of workflows. So it's your company, the client will give you your workflow, your interaction with the client and the people. So it's depend upon that those one. So client has selected people, they only do check your company documents, whatever you will submit, your project documents. So there are designated people for those. So I will search related to this one. I will select this one, and then I will make next because my team, uh, the site supervision consultant is working over there. So I will select this one and I will send the document. Now we are in third step. In the workflow name, we will have the same the workflow which we have, and we have this. You can see daily site report, daily site reports, and here we can mention how many reports we have attached. So I will mention all the reports of the different dates. So this is the title we have given, same workflow. Okay, and then uh, we will go through workflow note. Is not necessary. We can write something if we can write. If we cannot write, we will eliminate this one. So here you can see the approval. Review not required. A for approved, B for approved with comment, C for rejected, and Q rejected if you make mistake in the document, or if you make mistake in the workflow. So it's a Q rejected. And then we will go through the attributes. The attribute of this document is I already told you this is related to the civil. So attribute is civil. Okay, we will click okay. If it is safety, then we will put safety. Or here we can see it is for approval. It is already for approval because we have selected for approval. So here also we can change something, and then you will see the workflow which you have chosen. This is all workflow. You can delete someone if you want to delete. Okay, and finally you can see the workflow which we have chosen takes 4 days, and total estimated time is 4 days. So within 4 days the client or consultant has to give you the approval. So here we can see that who are inside that document in that workflow. You can see the toes to this person, and then CC all those persons. So here we can delete if we want to delete. So we can delete it, and then we will submit these documents. So all things are okay, workflow is correct, then we can directly we can submit the document. So we will click the submit. You will see the document will be submitted for it. So let's start. Now the document has been submitted, and you will receive this sheet. Okay, this is the official sheet which you have to save, uh, and you have to follow up. If client is asking you or consultant is asking you which workflow you have submitted, they can see easily all these documents. You can see the documents which I have attached in one workflow, all have been attached. And message, I did not give you any message, but this is alternate message. Attribute is civil, and you can see the workflows. The major is the workflow, that is WF, and we can trace this document, either it is approved or it is not approved, or we can trace where it has been. So we can track the document, it is in approval phase, in progress, whatever. So by this way we can trace the document where it has been approved. So this is very important. The workflow which we have generated means that this is the final, the document has been submitted. So we will save this one later style. Okay, we will save where the documents are present. uh, so here we will go through the current document. Let me say Later we will save this document. It's depend on you, because if you save the documents the later, it will be easy for you, to make a log. Or if you cannot save, then no problem, you can trace anytime with this number, the workflow number. So I think my laptop has some problem, so I cannot go through that one. So no problem, the workflow which we have submitted is still in our phase. So we can go through the workflow, we can check where it has been, go through same document number. I will check which workflow was that. So see, this is the document which we have submitted, and this is the workflow. So simply we can make a log of workflows, and it is in pending. You can see when we go through the workflow, is in pending, and it has been submitted today. So this is the estimated time, so due date. Thank you so much. I think you understand this one, how to make a workflow.